guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. So open the Chrome, type Cisco Packet Tracer, open this link, that is netacad.com. Come down here, click on this course, get started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on this get started with self-paced. Log into the account. After login to this account, click on this download Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on this link. Come down here. Select the package according to your OS. Mine is Windows 64-bit, so I choose this. It will download now. After downloading, open this package. Accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Again, click on next. Click on next. Install. After installing, click on finish. It will open Cisco Packet Tracer. They have given two sign-in options. One is Cisco Network Academy and another is Skill for All. Click on Skill for All. Now it will redirect to the Chrome. So after signing in, come back to the Cisco Packet Tracer. Thank you for watching, guys.